That's what the bakeries do with old bread. The secret was revealed. Don't throw your bread away. Put 2 bread, it's humid with milk inside of the blender, as you can see on the video. I added 2 cups of milk, 3 eggs, 2 cups of condensed milk, and let's beat everything very well inside of the blender. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from, okay? Now, in a pan, we are going to melt a cup of sugar until it turns into caramel, okay? So far, there's no secret. I'm pretty sure you can make all of these steps at your house and have the best recipe in the world. After it turns into caramel, we are going to add little by little, guys, half a cup of water until it turns to this liquid caramel, okay? Put it in a pudding form, all of this caramel, and then let's put the mixture that we have just beaten in the blender. And guys, you will have the best pudding in your life. And one more secret, super nice secret, you don't need to put it in the oven. Can you believe that? There's no need. Put aluminum paper on it, cover it very well, okay? Now put it inside of a pan, a big pan that will fit this form. And we are going to fill with water, but be very careful so the water won't go inside of the pudding, okay? It's not so much water. And then turn the stove on, and this will cook our pudding, guys. Cover the pan before, okay, that the vapor will cook our pudding. If you want to take it to the oven, of course you can do it, okay? And look at it, guys. Seriously, I have no words to describe it. The best pudding ever. And you will be using the old bread that maybe you would be throwing it away. Now you can reuse it. And the caramel is also amazing with this pudding, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. It's super creamy, guys. It's the best pudding of your life, seriously. And it's seriously, guys, the bakeries do it when they have too many breads in there. And then they make pudding and you don't even know that there is bread inside of their pudding, okay? Make it at your house and then come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us. See ya!